now, and it's time to get ready for the day. First thing is first, we've got to make our coffee because it's too early to. You ready for today? Alright, I think I'm going to be wearing this today. So I have this top. This is from the company called Blushmark, and it is just like this satiny, like ruched up tank. And then these jean shorts are from Target. Alright, I changed because I might actually wear this today. So this is also from Blushmark, and it's just like this pink v-neck cropped. And then I have these paper bag jeans. They're pretty baggy, so I feel like I'm not gonna get hot in them. I don't know. We'll see which ones I wear. I'm not sure yet. Alrighty, so now that I am ready for the day, I did my hair and makeup. If you want the deets on how I do this, I have a video on how I did my summer sun-kissed makeup look and also how I curl my hair, so go check that out if you're interested. My plans for today is my friend Camille is going to be coming over and we're going to be shopping. We're going to go to the Wisteria outlet here in Dallas. They are closing, sadly, and I've never been. And so what better time than now when they're having like really, really good sales and stuff. So we're going to go there. We're going to go back to the Frisco Mercantile. We're going to go to Home Goods. We're gonna go eat and just have a really fun shopping day. Hopefully I find some goodies because I'm still decorating my house. So yeah, here we go. Oh yeah, girl. OOTD.
Totally fine. Thank you.
There's so much to look at.
Oh, this is so cool.
Those are super cool. Those are adorable.
Okay.
Not terrible. So we didn't find anything at Wisteria. Sad. They have a lot of great things though, like bigger pieces. So if you're looking for like a dining room table, chairs, that just like isn't what we're shopping for. They have a lot of coffee table. They're just more
it's
like
a lot of scratch and dent.
A lot of scratch and dent.
But we were in an outlet, so
I think that was the whole like thing about it being an outlet. Like most of all their stuff was like messed up, which was like fine because you can definitely like roll with it anyway. But yeah, so now we're going to the Frisco Mercantile. I posted about it in my last home decor video, and she hasn't been before, so I'm gonna take her, and yeah, so here we go.
$50. Yours is like
Yeah, it depends on the section.
Yeah,
so
I guess it's private people.
I got mine over here. The space that I got, it was like $40. The section's cute too. There's just like aisles and aisles of stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Cute. You said no more words, Camille.
No more wood.
No more wood. No more words. This is a cute section. This is where I got my glass vase. It was on this table over here. Ooh, this one's pretty. They replaced it with one. It's $50, but this is where mine used to be.
Oh my gosh, this is $50.
Yeah.
Because it's just like that's too big for a table or something, and it's not big enough to go on.
I think it's really cute. This one is like silver painted. So many vase choices. Camille's scoring today. She's getting this vase.
This is literally 3 feet tall.
Well, okay, she's gonna put it on the ground, and then what kind of plant are you gonna put in it?
Don't know yet, because I can't afford pampas grass.
Yeah, well, I think it's cute. This is actually the same spot that I got my glass vase. It was in that exact same spot, and they replaced it with this.
So it's my child.
So we're getting this. She's also getting this one.
Sorry, babe. I'm really thinking about it.
I think you should get it.
Why do I keep buying glasses?
Because you are saying that you have too much wood, so that offsets the wood texture with the glass and the iron. And like that plant, I always support a purchase you're excited about.
Okay. I think I'm gonna get this.
Okay. I really need my house to look like this. It's so, I love these wooden lanterns right here. I want everything to look, it's like modern, but like wood modern. This is cute. Ooh, I like these fake plants. I need all of it. Freaking good. I feel like whenever it's your first time at the Frisco Mercantile, you find so much.
Why did I buy this one?
I only got a necklace, but
I can't breathe.
did pretty good. For our next adventure, we're in line for Home Goods.
It will move fast.
Hopefully we find some goodies. I don't know what it is, but all the Home Goods I've been to have been empty.
Yeah, but I think this one's gonna have stuff.
I hope so.
The two by my house were empty.
Oh, that's super cute.
Oh wait, will you move the basket for her?
Yes. I'm just gonna go over here. Okay, so we're at Home Goods. Hopefully finding some good things today because I haven't bought anything. I actually bought this necklace. I bought this. Oh, that's cute.
I may get this.
Camille's finding all the things today. Anyway, so I got this necklace at the Frisco Mercantile. Okay, there's a lot going on. I gotta go. There's seriously nothing more aggravating than when you find a pillow that you want and there's one left. These are cute. So, on the hunt to find this pillow so that I can have two. I really like this rug, like the neutral kind of Aztec-y look. It's really pretty. I wish this was our rug in the dining room because I kind of like it better than what we have. Ours is kind of like this one. It has too much blue in it and I want more beige. This is kind of cute. Alright, y'all. Just a quick update. I got this ladder at Home Goods. It's actually not for me, it's for my mom. She's been wanting a blanket ladder and they had one, so I called her and she was like, buy it. It was only $50, so got that for her. The only thing that I bought for myself is this necklace that was $11. It was at the Frisco Mercantile. Really good deal. Camille has just like hit the freaking jackpot and I'm so jealous, but it's okay. Some days it's just like not your day for shopping and that's fine, but
Your wallet's fatter than mine.
but now we're at IKEA and I really want this gray cabinet shelf thing. We'll see if I get it. I don't know. hydrangea. Alright, so we just left. Okay, this is probably really dangerous because I'm driving, so I'm not going to be looking at y'all. But just left IKEA, as you can see. I got a shelf for my room because I wanted something to put all my makeup and things in, so it's not like on the bathroom counter. So I'm really excited. Not excited to make it. That's going to be rough. But I should have filmed us putting it in my car because it was interesting. It was interesting to say the least.
We were sweating buckets because it was so hot.
Don't go to IKEA when it's 100 degrees out, people. Just don't do it. Wait till the fall, winter. 100-degree weather is not.
How high the air is on because I'm sweating because it's so hot.
Yeah, so I'm gonna be putting this shelf together tonight. Really excited about that. And I'm about to go home and drink at least a gallon of water because I'm parched. This guy's about to sideswipe me.
Now you're gonna say drink a gallon of margarita.
That'll be later. Just joking. Okay. Anyway, so I'm gonna drive now, but just wanted to update you on our adventure. Alright, Camille just left my house. It is hot out. It is so freaking hot. It is so freaking hot outside. We just got back from IKEA and the shelf, or like the cabinet that I bought, is still in my car because I'm sweating. I'm in jeans, so not my best idea, but I'm gonna take that shelf out and put it together. I'm just like about to chug some water really quick because I'm so thirsty. We went to the Wisteria outlet, didn't find anything. Like, there were some really good pieces there, but nothing that I needed. A lot of like chairs and bar stools and coffee tables, which I didn't need. And then we went to the Frisco Mercantile. Camille found a lot of good stuff. I feel like if it's your first time there, you just like find so much because it's all new and they have such good things. But a lot of it was stuff that I saw from the last time that I went, so it wasn't a lot of new things. The only thing I got was this chunky gold necklace that was $11. Love it. Cool off, and then we're gonna put the shelf together. All right, this is the situation we're working with right now. So the boxes, ignore my mess. I have a lot of laundry to fold, but my shelf came with 2 boxes. And I am replacing this shelf, so I'm going to be selling this like on Facebook Marketplace or just like on my Facebook. I just feel like it doesn't go with my, vibe. I've had it since middle school. It's from Target. So I got this one and I'm really excited to put it out. I also need to get rid of this rug. This is literally my college dorm room rug. Cody and I are getting a snow cone, so we're gonna order it.
Try not to take her.
They have a lot of flavors. I get pina colada and sour strawberry, and it's delicious. So, let's see.
A regular root beer snow cone.
And a regular root beer?
Mm-hmm. That's gonna be it.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Alright, we can total figure out the window.
Okay, thank you.
Regular, Bubba. That's a big one. 16-ounce snow cone. He's really going for it today.
Is that the 16 ounce?
Yeah. It's baby, small, and then regular.
So,
we're at Bahama Bucks. If you live in Texas, then I don't know if there are any more locations other than Texas. But if you live in DFW area, then it's a snow cone place that's pretty popular. It's really cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's like a shack, a snow cone shack, but they're not like a local thing. It's like everywhere.
It's kind of sporadic.
Really, really good snow cones. It's like snow instead of like shaved ice. It's like a snow. I'll show you. It's delicious. Cute. What flavor did you get?
I got root beer, just root beer.
Super
my
cute.
favorite.
Yeah, I got pina colada and sour strawberry. I like the sour strawberry because pina colada is really sweet, and then the sour strawberry gives it like a little tangy feeling. So
They finally brought the umbrellas back for a little bit. They quit doing them.
Yeah, umbrellas just give it a nice little, like we're in the Bahamas, you know?
Give you that beach vibe.
Exactly. Alright, this is my snow cone. Like I said, pina colada, sour strawberry. I get the baby size because I feel like this is a lot of snow cone. Alright, we're at Target, just doing a little late night shopping with mom, but haven't found anything. This Target is pretty empty. I was here about, I want to say like 3 weeks ago, and it's pretty much the same stuff that they had 3 weeks ago. So nothing super interesting or new, which is understandable. I feel like a lot of places right now haven't been getting new stuff. So it is what it is. Right, we are about to leave Target. I didn't find anything, but I feel like wearing these masks like keeps me from not wanting to shop very long because they're hot, so it keeps me from spending more money. So that's a plus. Not gonna complain about that. All right, this is the situation. I opened the box up. There's another box. I think that's the glass doors for it. Opened it up, read the instructions, and it needs to be a 2-person job. And I don't have that help yet. So, to be decided. I'm probably going to make it tomorrow. I'm just going to have my mom or my dad come and help me. So, don't get to make it. But I will make it and post it on my Instagram on what it looks like. So go follow me on there if you want to see. All right, y'all, we are at the end of the day. We just got home from Target and eating dinner. I washed my face with this. It is the First Aid Beauty facial cleanser. I bought just the little one to try from Ulta, and I love it. So this is only $11 if you want to try it out. My skin has been loving it, and it's a lot cheaper than the Tula cleanser that I was using. I'm gonna get ready for bed, and it's like 9 o'clock, but honestly, whatever. That's what happens when you turn 25. You just go to bed at like 9, but it is what it is.